I can imagine that it still sounds far away for a lot of people because when I think of a standard company that's maybe not that big, they're not even considering using AI for anything yet. They're still hiring people. They're still putting people on more and more jobs to develop their business. But you're saying that this technology is coming soon. Do you know how far we are in maybe years from a lot of companies starting to use AI in their regular business? And when do you think it may become a problem for people that they start losing their jobs? Is it something that we'll see this year, or is it in 5 years, 10 years? How do you look at it?
Sure. I mean, there are different discussions, different research done by different organizations. But if you look at the World Economic Forum, right, they mentioned that right by year 2025, some of the most important skills, right, will be about problem solving. That means how do you solve a problem? Okay, why problem solving is important? Because the future is increasingly uncertain. You won't be able to see far, right? Because the world is just changing so fast, right? So, for example, right, for COVID, right, nobody imagined, right, there's such thing called COVID pandemic, right? So the world is increasingly uncertain, right? So that's why your ability to change and to pivot quickly, that is very important. And that's why problem solving is one of the core skill pillars, right, as dictated by the World Economic Forum, right? And if you're asking me about, okay, the technology, the AI, right, when will it taking over the humans, or when will they take away some of the jobs, right? I would say this is an ongoing process, right? We are already seeing AI automation, increasingly more important, right? And for example, right, in the automobile sector, we are seeing more and more so-called autonomous car, right? So I won't be able to put an exact time frame, but it is now. It is now, right? So my advice to the audience is and also to my friends is, okay, start doing something now, right? Now or never, right? Now or never.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see the full version, go to the Uncle Gold Podcast YouTube channel or watch the next clip.